guys, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to be baking a cake for my 100 subscriber special. Woo. Today joining me to bake this cake is my sister Reagan.
Hello.
So we have our cake mix, which is classic white, frosting, and chocolate chips to go in the cake and on top of the cake. So let's get started. We have our pan. We need to get eggs and a thing. Do you want me to get them out? Yes, please.
Okay, what's the thing?
Eggs and the measuring thing in there. I can get that.
Measuring?
Oh wait, I need the oil.
Okay.
Mom, it doesn't say how much cake mix oh, do I put the whole cake mix in?
Yeah.
Never mind. Forget I said anything.
There we go. Well, I just watched it.
What?
Are you the Hey!
Oh yeah, the mastery baker. That's me.
Next great baker.
Oh yeah. This probably will go on nailed it.
Where's your gum?
This will probably go on nailed it. Yeah, definitely. That's what we want.
Around on this thing. Now we're going to mix it. We're gonna put chocolate chips in the batter.
Don't break.
Mix the batter.
We're both gonna fall off the couch.
I don't know how many.
You have to add a lot, otherwise it won't seem like they're even in there.
Oh no! Taco!
Probably like half the bag.
This is annoying.
I dropped one somewhere.
Are you biting yourself?
on the move. So now we're going to put it in the hot oven that's been preheating for the longest time in the entire world. It says 23 to 28 minutes, so we're going to put it in for
23.
23, and then we're going to check it. So, see when we check it. Reagan? Okay, so apparently I got a present. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is so cute. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it says Happy 100 Subscribers, Monster. Oh my gosh. Let's see what we got. Oh my gosh. It says swag, yay, woohoo. This is crazy. It says Maddie. Happy 100 subscribers, love Maddie. Maddie's just so sweet. Oh, it says road to 1 million. Maddie's the sweetest. Whoa, let's see what we got. Oh my gosh. I guess someone really knew that I wanted to decorate my room for Halloween. Look at this little ghost. So adorable. Maddie's crazy. She's crazy. And we also got this pumpkin. What does it do? I think I broke it. It's not turning on. I have the on button on. It's not turning on. Darn it, this was so cute at the store. I mean, I'm sure Maddie thought it was really cute at the store.
Yeah, definitely. Maddie. Maddie. Maddie.
Yeah, okay. Oh, there we go.
There!
I just got glitter everywhere. This is the pumpkin. It's Soup's adorable. The next thing we have, oh my gosh, spider webbing. Psh, psh, oh, psh. Okay. Oh my gosh. You have a skull. Doesn't it look like me? It's my twin.
It doesn't have a brain in it though.
Neither do I.
Oh, okay.
Next, we have this really smelly good candle. Smelly good. Smelly good. Smelly good.
Smelly good.
Okay, we're gonna light that baby. We're gonna light that sucker up. What is this? Oh.
That was the bra at first.
Oh my goodness, this is so amazing. I don't know where I'm gonna put all these things. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, Maddie must have had it all thought through.
Yeah, Maddie's the best, not gonna lie. Okay, so now we have to decorate my room, I guess, while we're waiting for our cake to bake, obviously. Sponsored by McDonald's and the dollar store.
Oh, two
Now
sponsors
we must
in
put
one
the
video?
spiders in there.
Oh, here's another one. I was playing
I was
with it.
wondering. I thought there were like 5.
There was 4, I think.
Okay. My sister is a really bad cameraman, so I'm like really sorry, but like, thanks. Shout out Reagan. Love you, bro. That was actually... Okay, well that's that, so we're just gonna wait on our cake now.
The spider.
Bye! Oh my God. We think the cake is done, but we don't know for sure because I'm dumb. Okay, now we're going to check the cake.
Ouch!
So now we're going to wait for the cake to cool, and then we can put icing on it and stuff, and it'll be party time. Okay, hate myself for that. Oh. It's not that hot. Little did she know. Not right now. Okay, so now it is cool, so I'm going to put icing on it.
I'll turn it off after you let the candles. They don't have to. You're being lit. You're trying to light. Oh, that already on.
Ready, guys? Turn it off.
I'm trying.
Happy 100 subscribers to you.
It's to me.
Happy 100 subscribers to me. Happy 100 subscribers, dear man Griffin on YouTube. Subscribe, please, because we need more. Happy 100 subscribers to me. So that was like a joke, but like, I'm sorry. Don't take me seriously because this was all just like a joke, but like it's kind of cool because I made a cake. Yeah. Yeah! Woo! I do not know why I just did that. Woo! So yeah, it broke. Should I put it on a taco?
I want
No, no.
cream cheese frosting now.
Put it on a taco.
He's dying. He's scared of it.
Skills, bro. And I what? And I scoop, and I shoot, and I hoop, and I cut. Okay, get in your chair. What's the verdict over there, Ma? It's good! Yay! I made a cake successfully. What do you think, Dalton?
Is it yummy?
What do you think, Clayton?
I think his face just says it all.
Oh, Reagan hasn't eaten it yet. Okay, now I'm gonna eat it. Okay, me and Reagan are gonna eat it at the same time.
Oh, okay.
Look at this yum piece. Ready?
Alright.
Not that bad.
It's still warm.
No. I like it. Yeah, I like it.
This just being a cake, it's fine. If this was like a wedding cake or something, I'd be like, it's too good. But you know, it's just a cake. It's pretty good.
So anyway, I really think that cake was very successful. Thank you for 100 subscribers. You're all very cool. Because you subscribed to me, clearly. I'm not very cool. Yeah, she's just my sister. She's really nothing important. Nobody important. But everyone likes my cake, so that's good.
I don't like it.
Taco.
Yes, you did. You said you did. That was like the first thing I've ever like made by myself. Besides like ramen noodles. So I'm pretty. And one time I burned the house down by making ramen noodles, basically, pretty much. So anyway, I hope you guys liked it. I hope you subscribed. This was. What are you doing?
They couldn't see me.
This was not a complete fail, so that was good. It was a good cake.
We can still eat the cookies though.
Yeah, we can still eat those cookies. They're only $1 at the dollar store. The dollar store is pretty cool. Everyone should go there all the time. Get their Halloween decorations there, because that's what Maddie did for me. Thank you, Maddie. Shout out you. I love you.
So is she subscribed to you?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
I can't subscribe to myself. Anyway, I hope you guys liked this video. Go subscribe.
Okay, you guys,
Leave a like.
take my plate, please.
Leave a comment. Okay, bye.
Bye. Whoa.